Transferring money from Wise to a UK bank account is very easy. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. To transfer money from Wise, first set up Transfer on Wise. Choose how much money you are sending and enter your recipient's bank details. Then choose Bank Transfer at the payment step. Next, leave your Wise account and pay by bank transfer directly through your bank. Now you are all done and wait for confirmation. Alternatively, you can instantly convert the money in your Wise account to GBP and then withdraw it from your Wise account. Wise will provide you with a confirmation email or receipt once the transfer is complete. This email contains details such as the transaction ID and the amount sent. It's important to be aware of any fees associated with the transfer, as Wise often provides a more transparent and cost-effective solution for international transfers. Additionally, take note of the exchange rate applied during the transfer process.